All right, welcome to my newest listing, 4474 Cape May, right here in beautiful Ocean Beach with 180-degree views. This is going to be basically a 3-unit property. There's 2 unpermitted ADUs below in the basement. Just over the hill there is Point Loma, a few houses away. So we're in Point Loma Heights, 0.8 of a mile to the pier, walkable to everything in Ocean Beach. So let's step into the main house. We do have 2 entrances here. So walking in, you have a big living room with a fireplace. Coming into a dining room with west-facing beautiful ocean views. Knock that wall out, you'd have even more. Well, there's a house there, but you'd still have a bit more view. So this is a panoramic, just gorgeous view. Okay, back into the house, we're coming into the kitchen. Again, this is all west facing with those beautiful sunsets, SeaWorld fireworks. You have your dining room area, huge windows here. Your second fireplace. We'll get back to the views when we go out onto the deck. And coming into the hallway with bedroom 1. So decent sized bedroom with normal closet. Bathroom 1 here off to the left with a full tub and shower. Coming down into bed 2. Full closet. This door leads to the secret basement going downstairs. And so you can walk to the other units from upstairs. So they call it the secret staircase. And coming into the primary, good sized bedroom, lots of closet space. By the way, these have almost all brand new dual pane windows from the city for the Quiet Home program. There's another bathroom with a full tub and shower. And then that is the second entrance and exit to the front of the house. So making our way off to the beautiful deck, and off to the left would be the front street over on Cape May. Big wraparound deck. Now these are views, you can almost see the, well, you can see the pier actually. Right there, you can get a glimpse of the OB Pier. Down over to the Mission, PB, SeaWorld, Point Loma. Gosh, all the way over SeaWorld, San Diego, Claremont, almost to downtown. And yes, we are in the path of the airport. So the deck will wrap around with the walkway out to, again, the front of the home. Coming down, so this was an old stair lift. It would come up and then a handicapped person would be able to access from down at the four garage parking space, which we're going to look at here. So fruit trees, and then a lot of space over here off to the west side of the house. We'll get to that secret little door of the basement there in a minute. So the chair lift would come from the garage up into the bottom level basement up into the home. So the roof here does need some work, but actually you could probably park 5 cars here, maybe 4. So you do have, of course, alley access up from the beach or from Point Loma. Really nice neighbor. He's lived there 42 years. The shed there. All right, so we're gonna go into the studio. So this is a 1 bed, 1 bath with a kitchen. Off to the left, you have your single bed with a closet. Closet there. And then of course your kitchen, refrigerator, storage there, and a full bathroom. So shower and toilet. So this would be the studio. Now these are unpermitted. Both downstairs units are unpermitted. So coming into the this is essentially another 2-bed unit. So full kitchen. Off to the right goes up to the main house. And then this is, we'll call it the basement with a bunch of storage. We'll get to in a sec. Hallway with lots of storage. Another full bath. Bedroom with a closet. And then off to the right, it's essentially another bedroom. So even though this would technically have to be closed off, or you could use this as, you know, a man cave. That would work too. All right, we're gonna step back out and now go into what I call the basement. So down here, you have, here's your water shut off, washer and dryer for downstairs. It's a newer water heater, a newer HVAC system, and then a bunch of storage. Then coming off below this staircase, a little more storage. All right, so this is not going to last long. Of course, it's going to need some work. The seller's looking for, you know, serious offers, and he's ready to move. So again, Dave Mangos, 858-232-8410. Reach out if you have any questions.